Hello everyone, welcome to the new session. So in this session, we will see how to convert a RDD to data frame. So for that, first of all, we need to create a RDD. So in the last session, we already saw how to create a RDD. So first we create a RDD and then we try to convert it into the data frame. So for that, so we can start. To create a RDD, first of all, we need to create a Spark session. So for that, we import the Spark session from the PySpark first. Here we imported a Spark session. Now we create a Spark object, Spark session dot builder dot get or create. So here we create first Spark session object. Now we create a RDD. So for that, I just create one variable as a RDD, and here we call first Spark object Sparks dot. So in the Spark object, we have the function Spark context. So we call the Spark context dot parallelize. Okay. Here we need to pass the records in the list of tuples. So first we take employee ID, okay, as a one. Second one is an employee name. So I take as Akshay. Third variable we take as a location. So I make as a Pune. And fourth one we take as a salary. Similarly, we take two more observation. So I just copy the same and paste it here. Okay, employee ID is second. Name is Jai. Location is Mumbai. The salary is 35,000. Same we create for the third. Name is Shubham. Location or city is Delhi. Make it as a 5,000. We just execute this command. Now our RDD is created. So if we call the RDD, okay, so here our RDD is created. If you want to print all the RDD data, so we just call rdd.collect function. Okay, so with the help of collect function, we print all the data. If you want to check the how many records are there in the RDD, so we just call rdd.count function. Here, if you see, there are total 3 records are there. So our RDD is created. So next step is we need to convert this RDD into the data frame. So for that, I create one variable as a df. Okay, here again I call Spark object dot create data frame, because we need to convert it into the data frame. So we call the create data frame function, and here we pass the RDD. Okay, and second we pass the schema in list. Okay, so our first is employee ID. I make as a employee ID. Second one is a name, employee name, so I make as a name only. Third one is a location. The last one is a salary. Okay, so what we did, we just called the Spark object. In the Spark object, we have the function create data frame. In the data frame function, we pass two parameters. First is the RDD, and second one is a schema. Okay, so once you execute this, okay, our data frame is created. So if you want to print this data frame, so just call df.show function. So here we printed our data frame. Okay, so if you see the RDD output, so this is the RDD output, list of tuples. Okay, so once we converted into the RDD to data frame, so here this is our data frame. So we just quickly summarize this session. So first of all, we call the Spark session from the PySpark. After that, we create a Spark object with the help of Spark session. After that, we create a RDD. So to create a RDD, first we call the Spark object. In the Spark object, we have the function like the spark.context dot parallelize, and here we pass the records in the list of tuples. Okay. To call the RDD, we call rdd.collect to check how many records are there in the RDD. So here we use rdd.count function. Okay, after that we converted this RDD into the data frame. So for that we call spark object dot create data frame function, and here we need to pass two parameters. First one is a RDD and second one is a schema. Okay, so once we execute this code, okay, our data frame is created, and then we call this df.show function to print the data frame. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.